Hey guys, today I'll be showing you my new Resin Creations. This is actually my entire collection right now. So let's get started. So the first thing I have is this little heart resin piece. And it has different colors of glitter, of pink in the background, and little heart stickers. Then I have this Rilakkuma, Kurilakkuma, and Kiritori piece. I have this piece that says So Craftastic. This is actually going to be what I'm going to give to her when I send my items in for review. This is a little cupcake piece. And there's some watermarks, but I mean, that's okay. And basically I have red and blue. Then I have this faded rainbow glitter background piece, and this glitter idea, like where you have the fading glitter, I tried to imitate how Tattooed Cookie does it. So there's Kurilakkuma and he's standing on macarons, and then there's two other stickers over here. I made this little sprinkled resin piece, and it has like a purple background, so it has two layers. So I was trying layering on this one. I have this 4th of July resin piece. So it has red, white, and blue. Except you can't really see the blue because it's covered by the sticker, but there is blue. And there's a little flag. I have this Mamagoma piece. And they're two Mamagomas and they're sitting on top of each other. And there's like a little ribbon tied around it. So I thought it was super cute. I have this little resin piece that's like has like purple and a lighter purple and darker purple glitters like speckled together, and then there's a little bow. I have this faded rainbow glitter background, again inspired by Tattooed Cookie. And then there's Rilakkuma sliding down a cake, and there's little macarons over here. I have this little Mamagoma party piece. So there's a little Mamagoma, and it's sitting on top of a little Mamagoma, I think that's a pancake. And there's just purple background, but there's a darker purple lining the edges. Then I have this one, I really like this piece. There's a bunch of little Mamagomas sitting inside a little heart, and then there's half blue and half white glitter. I have this other Mamagoma one where there's these little Mamagomas, and they're basically all they're doing is they're eating a bunch of little fruits, and then I put some female cane slices in the background. And also the glitter part, it's like not completely like full of glitter, it's like kind of translucent looking because I mixed glitter in with the resin, but I didn't put too much, so it's like it has a really cool effect. Then I have this little other Mamagoma piece. And I know I have a lot of Mamagoma pieces. That's because I really like the character Mamagoma. So there's a little Mamagoma, and it's in a little dress, and it's sitting in like a bunch of macarons around it. And I just did a black glitter background on this one. I have this Oyasumi Bakura one. And there's a bunch of like blue glitter in the background, and there's different images of Oyasumi Bakura. I have this pink one, and it's a Hello Kitty piece, and this is the first resin piece I ever made. And there's a bunch of little rhinestones around the edges. I have this little Rilakkuma, Kurilakkuma, and Kiritori piece, and they're sitting on this little box, and there's a little macaron over here. I have this little circular piece this is also one of the first few resin pieces I ever made. And yeah, it's just mixed in with like sprinkles and food coloring. And I have this piece that has like no stickers in it or anything. I just mixed different types of glitter with the resin, and then I poured it into the mold. And I really like how this turned out. My camera's not really capturing how pretty the glitter looks, but if you saw it in real life, there's like little specks of blue, and it's like almost like a rainbow. It's like holographic and stuff. Then I have this little beach piece. So there's sand and the sky and a little shell. I have this little rose piece that's like with light blue glitter. And then I have this other rose piece that has a different shade of blue glitter. I have this Hello Kitty piece, which has 1/2 pink and 1/2 red. I have this Mamagoma piece that has this, it has a little pudding on its head, so I thought that was really cute. I have this Oyasumi Bakura piece, and I really like this one. It has just like a white glitter background, and then there's a little image of Oyasumi Bakura and his little stuffed animal. I have this sprinkled piece, and this has just a bunch of sprinkles mixed in with glitter and green food coloring. And yeah, here's what the back looks like. I have this green rose piece. I have this Mamagoma kitchen piece. So there's a little Mamagoma and it's like tossing donuts, like it's making donuts. And the background, I put a really light yellow glitter. So to kind of represent like cake batter backgrounds like Tattooed Cookie uses. I made this little owl piece and I put glitter, white glitter in the background to represent snow. I have this little sequined piece with blue glitter in the background. This is one of my favorite pieces. Actually, I think this is my favorite piece. So there's Oyasumi Bakura and his little stuffed animal, and they're sitting in a basket, and then I faded different shades of glitter to represent the nighttime sky. So it starts off with blue sky and it gradually gets darker until you get to the night, and it kind of looks like they're floating on a cloud. I have this Valentine's Day piece, and I have just a bunch of little heart stickers. Kind of made a collage. Then I have this Korilakuma piece. And there's Korilakuma, and he's holding Rilakuma and two little ducks. And I thought that was super cute. And it's kind of weird because Rilakuma is actually bigger than Korilakuma. But in this picture, Korilakuma is larger than Rilakuma. And I have just like a pink glitter background. Then I have some little tiny bow pieces. So I have this little pink Hello Kitty bow piece. I have this other pink Hello Kitty bow piece. I have this blue normal bow piece. I have this brown normal bow piece. I have this light blue normal bow piece. I have 3 little sprinkled bows, so let me just get all 3 of them. So yeah, I have 3 of the same. I have this little purple bow ring, and it goes on like this. I have this little metallic piece. This is a little metal charm, and there's Korilakuma, and he's sitting with a cake. I have this other metal charm piece. There's Oyasumi Bakura, and he's holding his blanket. Then I have 2 necklaces. So this one is a metal charm necklace. So I have a little seahorse charm on blue glitter background. Then I have some chain. And then finally I have this silver necklace, which just has like a little silver bow charm. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!